have we here? This is from Nextool. It's called the Mini Sailor Multifunctional Pliers. Small little box here, made in Chinese. It says Nextool Keychain Multitool Men Small Bluish Gray. Whatever. But here it is. It's a pretty small and compact little tool here. It's bluish. It's kind of gray and bluish, but this is also grayish. It's quite a bit smaller than the Leatherman Juice S2. This is more comparable in size to the Leatherman Squirt. It's nice and symmetrical. The Squirt is kind of asymmetrical. This is actually the first time I'm actually going to be opening this, so you're going to see everything I'm going to be seeing, so let's take a look. Ooh, spring-loaded. One of my tests is I try to see if I can pull a hair. It did. Surprisingly. Very good. Looks like it's got a little wire cutter in there. You know, considering the size of these jaws, I don't know how much faith I would put in it as far as the robustness of it. If I compare the jaws of the Juice, the Juice is a bit more robust and stout. It's kind of nice having that spring-loaded aspect. Does not appear to be any inside tools on either side, so everything seems to be externally accessible. Take a look at this side. We got looks like it's a bottle cap opener, a can opener. There's no screwdriver or anything on this tip here. Usually they'll throw like some type of a small little screwdriver there, but in this case they didn't. All right, there's no tool next to it, but there is a tool on this side. Ooh, it's a knife blade. It feels pretty sharp. It's kind of like a sheep foot. It's got a little bit of a belly to it, so it's not flat. Of course, these are non-locking. See what's on this side. Scissors. It's nice that it has this little fold over there for your thumb. The action feels pretty nice. It's got that little tension spring there. Oh. It's like I gotta do like this in order to close it. On this side you have, we got two things really. I got a flattened out Phillips, two-dimensional. I don't know how effective that will be. I'll have to try it. Very small lanyard hole. Then the final tool is a little small flathead. See, everything feels pretty nice actually. It's kind of nice that it's all symmetrical. It's got some nice looking embellishments on it. But it's not like you don't have an enormous amount of tools. That's pretty decent. Like I said, I have not tried it on any other fasteners to try to see if I can open anything with it. I've not tried to use the screwdrivers. This is the first time I've actually opened it. But from an initial overview like this, seems to be pretty decent. So it's Nextool. Nextool Mini Sailor Multifunctional Pliers. And the color is bluish gray. Fairly inexpensive. They were on sale on Amazon. I think I got like $2 off, so it ended up being like I don't know, 15, 16, 17 bucks in that price range. Not too bad. You know, much less expensive than a Squirt or even a Gerber Dime. It's about the same size as the Dime, probably about the same size as the Squirt. I don't have one on me right now to compare, but it is a pretty nice feeling in the hand. I imagine it would make a nice little keychain tool. So hope you like this video. Haven't made a video in quite a while. I haven't seen anybody, so hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye-bye.